Okay everybody, today we're going to be doing a little flight with our F-20 Tigershark. This one's a really good flyer. We've got two options for our controls on the files. You can have just the elevons, as you call them, or you can have a stabulator that just controls your pitch, and then aileron servos that fit in these thin wings that we designed. So today we just have the tail control version. We'll get our radio set up here. This is a great flying jet, really. It's just flies like you'd expect it to fly. It's basically an F-5, so it comes in a little hot, but it still flies pretty well. As long as you fly it fast, it is a forgiving jet. I just recommend having some experience flying maybe faster jets like this prior to printing this whole thing out and flying it, because it is sometimes a challenge and you don't want to get it slow like we talked about. But yeah, this is our first 50mm design. We've done mostly 30 and 40mm, and now we're getting into bigger stuff. Trying to get into some twin 40s and twin 50s. So I'll get this set up here, squeeze this in here. It's a little bit stuck. Put on this. And the one thing I'm going to always triple check on this plane is CG marks here. There's a little indentation, as you can see. Gonna be, in this case, slightly tail heavy from it because I've flown this before, and I think it's gonna like a little bit of tail heaviness today, but not much, very little. Last time I flew this right on CG, I think it was a little nose heavy because it was trying to pull down on me, like pull the nose down. So we'll check our flight controls: up, down, left. So if we sit here in this perspective, left right there should push the left side down, lift the right side of the tail up, and right, and then we'll check this. That makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna do a short flight. Don't have a fully charged battery. It's at like about 4.1 volts today, a little under 4.1, but should be just fine. This thing has reinforced landing gear mounts with TPU tires on PETG rims, so it actually is a joy to taxi and land because those TPU tires really grip your runway well. Just get over here on the runway. There it goes. So I took up the whole runway to get enough speed because I do not want to fly this thing slow. It is a F-20, F-5, whatever you may call it, but it's a great jet. It's a little different to fly with the elevons. Come in here, full power pass into the wind. Pretty great. And it rolls kind of funny with the elevons, so I don't really roll this one. But when I get into the aileron version, when we print that out to test it, we'll also do some more aerobatics in that. So we'll come in, I'm gonna do a landing. Just a pretty short flight today, so we don't pull ourselves too low here. So I'm coming into land, probably a little fast here. Just like that, kind of set it down. A little bit of float there, but that's okay. And here it comes. Just do a fast taxi here. Don't want to take it off though. Again. This is a good jet, very good jet to fly. It's one of our favorites. Sweet. Files are available online.